articles have low value. They depict real life. They prove that it is not a perfect world and that it doesn't matter where you live. You can always experience reality. Turn on the television sometime of the week and you will see a sitcom or a program for children that shows the hardships of divorce.
I didn't think hardships of divorce was an issue. I understood that the reason the divorce order was taken out is because only one side of the story was told.
Well, the principal still took it out, and he didn't he didn't ask the student to get the other side of the opinion.
And when you see divorce and teenage pregnancy on those sitcoms, why do you need to write about it? Why does the kids need to write about it when they already see it, and then when they write about it, it's going against the Fourth Amendment conversation?
Well, when you see it on TV, they don't get to state their opinion. But if you put it in the paper, then the students get to state their opinion, and the whole school gets to read about it. Turn on the evening news or pick up a newspaper. Those two mediums constantly speak of teenage pregnancy. Did Robert Reynolds and Francis Hutz really think they could cover up the problem by not running the article? It is extremely difficult to not notice a few 16-year-old girls that are pregnant. If you are in high school and cannot deal with reality that not everything in this world is pure and are ignorant of anything in those articles, the world's future shall be in the hands of people who walk through life wearing blinders and think that won't happen to me, and that shall be a truly sad day in history. In 1974, in the case of Jenkins versus Georgia, the Supreme Court unanimously determined that local standards play a very limited role in the determination of what is to be considered obscene. Therefore, Robert Reynolds and Francis Hutz attitude that their school is the perfect article.
Reynolds was also not trying to cover up, but he was trying to protect the students' rights by censoring those articles. If the newspaper did get out in the school, the story would have circulated, for the newspaper was a favorite part of the Jesuit school district's activities. Also, and the students could not get the other side because it was in the divorce issue. Students could not get the other side because it was supposed to be published the next day, so their only alternative was to censor it from the newspaper.
Respondents, you may rebut.
The 16-year-old girls that were pregnant probably were known throughout the school anyway. So even though the names were deleted, which was good to do, they were probably known, so it didn't matter. And the students they didn't have to read the articles. If someone that knew what the articles about told them and they didn't want to read it, they didn't have to. And nobody had to read the paper. It was their choice.
Petitioners, you may rebut.
Just go back to what the attorney said. She said, look in a newspaper one night and you'll find something obscene, or other than that, well, I don't see anything obscene in this section. One that you bring up.
That's the sports section. The main part of that newspaper, you could probably find something to see.
A couple points I want to bring up is that the newspaper was jointly owned by the students and the school. The school, it was all run like one newspaper. There wasn't the students over here and the school over here. The principal was just acting as editor of this, and the First Amendment probably put in the Constitution to say that Congress cannot make a law banning free speech. It was probably put in there so that Congress in later years of government couldn't agree to somebody's freedom of speech, and that's why I think